Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This section continues the topic with more details and practical examples. Picture a big wooden table, weekend sunlight coming in, and a large pot in the center. Someone lifts the lid and a cloud of steam rolls out. You smell garlic, smoked meat, and soft black beans. Plates of rice, greens, and orange slices circle the pot, and everyone reaches in for a scoop. That warm, happy scene is often built around feijoada food. Feijoada is a rich black bean and pork stew. It is slow cooked until the beans are creamy and the meat turns tender. Many people call it Brazil's national dish, and for good reason. It brings family, friends, and even whole neighborhoods together. This guide walks through what feijoada is, what it tastes like, how Brazilians eat it, and a simple way you can try it at home, even if you are far from Brazil. What is feijoada food and why is it so famous in Brazil? At its heart, feijoada is a black bean stew with pork, often with some beef as well. The beans cook for a long time with pieces of sausage, ribs, bacon, and other cuts. As the hours pass, the flavors blend and the broth thickens. The result is a dark, rich, smoky pot of comfort. In Brazil, people often call feijoada the national dish. It shows up at family parties, cozy Sunday lunches, and special events. Many restaurants even have feijoada day, usually on Wednesdays or Saturdays. The idea is simple, but powerful. You take beans, which are humble and cheap, and mix them with seasoned meats, garlic, onion, and bay leaves. Time does the rest. Long cooking turns basic ingredients into a stew that feels deep, rounded, and full of flavor. Every spoonful has a bit of bean, a bit of meat, and a lot of soul. A short history of feijoada food. Feijoada has roots in Portuguese cooking, where bean and meat stews were already common. When the Portuguese came to Brazil, they brought that style with them. In Brazil, the dish changed as African, indigenous, and European traditions met. During slavery, black cooks often used cheaper cuts of pork and beef, along with black beans, to feed many people at once. They turned what others might throw away into something strong, filling, and full of taste. Over time, feijoada grew from a practical meal into a proud symbol of Brazilian home food. Today, people across the country eat it, from simple street spots to fancy restaurants. Key ingredients that make feijoada special. Several key ingredients give feijoada its character. Black beans. The base of the dish, soft and slightly creamy, they thicken the broth. Pork cuts. Sausage, ribs, bacon, and other pieces bring smoke, salt, and richness. Beef optional. Some recipes add beef chunks or dried beef for extra depth. Garlic and onion. These are fried first and build a savory base for the stew. Bay leaves. Add a gentle herbal note that keeps the flavor from feeling flat. Orange slices and herbs. Served on the side, they brighten each bite and cut through the fat. Each ingredient has a job. Beans give body, meats bring flavor and protein, and the herbs and citrus keep the stew from feeling heavy. How does feijoada taste and how do you eat it? That ends the full guide with everything explained in a simple and clear way. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.